Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you what is runtime module. See, runtime module is used to fetch the current information. For example, current user email ID, whosoever is logged in, internal ID of the, internal ID of current user role. All these things can be fetched with the help of runtime module. Let me show you with an example. Here it is a runtime n/runtime. We don't need these error and record all these. I delete this runtime only, error and record. Right? Only runtime is required. Runtime.get current user, then user object email, user object role, country, all these things. Now I have saved it and I'm going to upload this. Let's start from here. Runtime module. I cancel it. I create, yes, script. Runtime module. Here I will pick the file. Runtime user. Okay, now create script record. I will deploy the script. I will deploy it on sales order form. Now, once I save it, we will see in the execution log. Let's come to the execution log here. Okay, right now it's empty, right? Now, I will refresh this sales order form. Here it is. See, current user email ID. That's my email ID because I have logged in right now. Internal ID of current user role, that is 3. Let me show you where does this comes from. Here, when we go to the setup, then user roles and then manage roles. So here you will see 3 is administrator. Right now I am the administrator. So that's why it is showing 3. Current company, that is GB, that is Great Britain. I have set the subsidiary as GB UK HQ. So that's why it is showing. So right now it has shown all the required information. So this is how runtime used. It is used to only fetch the information. That's it. What is the role of the current user? What is, because many times it is required that the client wants that whosoever is working on that particular module, for example, sales order. So we need the execution log of that, which how many persons has worked on that particular module. So we have to extract that particular user ID and user role with the help of runtime module. So there are so many things you can practice with the runtime module, and if you face any difficulty, you can write down in the comment box. I will resolve your query. So this was another most important module. We will see another important modules in our next session. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it to get the notification of the latest videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.